Want to know how to add music to your Facebook profile? You would want to add music to your Facebook profile as it showcases your taste in music and let other people know more about your style and interest. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add music to your Facebook profile. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings and privacy option at the bottom. Again tap on the settings option. Likewise, scroll down to the audience and visibility section. Here tap on the profile option. Finally, scroll to the bottom. Here you can see the music option. Tap on it. Tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Moreover, search the music you want to add to your Facebook profile. Finally, tap on the three dot icon right beside the music you want to add to your Facebook profile. Here a menu will appear. Tap on the select option. So this is how to add music to your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.